COVID-19 After Effects, Early and Late. Greatest pleasure in life is absence of pain, John Dryden. But I think greatest pleasure in life is not absence of pain only, but absence of COVID also. Best of health is absence of any disease. COVID-19, the biggest global holocaust on mankind. This information is intended for general audience. Although most people with COVID-19 get better within weeks of illness, some people experience post-COVID conditions. Post-COVID conditions are a wide range of new, returning, or ongoing health problems people can experience 4 or more weeks after the first being infected with the virus that causes COVID-19. Even people who did not have COVID-19 symptoms in days or weeks after they were infected can have post-COVID conditions. These conditions can have different types of combinations of health problems for different lengths of time. These post-COVID conditions may also be known as long COVID, long haul COVID, post-acute COVID-19, long-term effects of COVID, or chronic COVID. In regional languages, it has many more names. Experts around the world are working to learn more about short and long-term health effects associated with COVID-19, who get them and why. Types of COVID conditions. Some people are experiencing a range of new or ongoing symptoms that can last weeks or months after first being infected with virus that causes COVID-19. Unlike some other types of post-COVID conditions that only tend to occur in people who have had severe illness, these symptoms can happen to anyone who has had COVID-19, even if the illness was mild or if they had no initial symptoms. People commonly report experiencing different combinations of following symptoms. Number 1, difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath. 2, tiredness or easy fatigability or easy fatigue. Symptoms that get worse after physical or mental activities. Difficulty in thinking or concentrating, sometimes referred to as brain fog, cough, chest pain, or stomach pain. Headache, fast beating or pounding heart, that is palpitations, joint or muscle pain, pins and needle feeling, diarrhea, sleep problems, fever, dizziness on standing, that is floating sensation or lightheadedness, rash, mood changes, change in smell or taste, change in period cycle in ladies, massive hair fall. Some people who had severe illness with COVID-19 experience multi-organ effects or autoimmune conditions over a longer time with symptoms lasting weeks or months after COVID-19 illness. Multi-organ effects can affect most, if not all, body systems, including heart, lung, kidney, skin, and brain functions. Autoimmune conditions happen when our immune system attacks the healthy cells in our body, causing inflammation, that is painful swelling or tissue damage in the affected parts of the body. While it is rare, some people, mostly children, experience multi-system inflammatory syndrome, MIS, during or immediately after COVID-19 infection. MIS is a condition where different body parts can become inflamed. MIS can lead to post-COVID conditions if a person continues to experience multi-organ effects or other symptoms. Hospitalization and severe illness for lung-related diseases, including COVID-19, can cause health effects like severe weakness and exhaustion during the recovery period. Effects of hospitalization can also include post-intensive care syndrome, that is PICS, which refers to health effects that begin when a person is in intensive care unit and can remain after the period he returns home. These effects can include severe weakness, problems with thinking and judgment, and post-traumatic stress disorders, PTSD. PTSD involves long-term reactions to a very stressful event. Some symptoms that can occur after hospitalization are similar to some of those symptoms that people with initially mild or no symptoms may experience many weeks after COVID-19. It can be difficult to know whether they are caused by the effects of hospitalization, long-term effects of virus, or a combination of both. These conditions may also be complicated by other effects related to COVID-19. Pandemic, including mental health effects from isolation, negative economic situations, and lack of access to healthcare for managing underlying conditions, have affected both people who have experienced COVID-19 and those who have not. Prevention. Prevention is always better than cure. To maximize protection from Delta variant and prevent possibly spreading it to others, get vaccinated as soon as possible. You can and wear a mask indoors in public if you are in an area of substantial or high transmission. The best way to prevent post-COVID condition is by getting vaccinated against COVID-19 as soon as you can. COVID-19 vaccination is recommended for all those people aged 18 years and older, including if you had COVID-19 or a post-COVID condition. Important ways to slow the spread of COVID-19. 1. Get a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as you can find a vaccine. 2. Wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth to help protect yourself and others. 3. Stay 6 feet apart from the others who don't live with you. 4. Avoid crowds and poorly ventilated indoor spaces. 5. Wash your hands often with soap and water. 6. Use hand sanitizer if soap and water aren't available. If you are not yet fully vaccinated, prevent long-term complications by protecting yourself and others from COVID-19. Thank you.